Last week might have felt like a blur of adrenaline and survival mode. But here in week 2, that energy fades. And for many moms, reality crashes in. The visitors slow down, your partner might be back at work. And suddenly, you're home with your baby alone, trying to figure out why you feel more exhausted than ever. If you're a career-driven first-time mom, this is a week when the lack of structure can feel unbearable. In the next 5 minutes, I'll guide you through what's happening in your body, what emotional shifts to expect, and the strategies that will keep you from burning out. Hi, I'm Cherry, a certified maternal and newborn nurse. This is week 2 of my postpartum recovery roadmap series. I will guide you through the first 12 weeks, week by week, so you always know what's normal, what's not, and how to manage the changes. Since this is a week when emotions can feel heavier, I encourage you to access my mental wellness workbook located inside my free private resource hub for career moms. It's designed with short, realistic tools you can actually use, things that fit into a busy lifestyle and help you feel more in control. The link is below. Physically, this week should bring a few changes. Your bleeding or lochia should be lighter now compared to week 1, more like a period that has completely tapered down. If you had a vaginal birth, the soreness and swelling may still be there, but stitches usually start feeling less sharp. Now, if you had a C-section, the incision may feel itchy, tight, or tender when you move. That's a normal part of healing. Your breasts are also adjusting, especially if you're breastfeeding or pumping. So, fullness and occasional engorgement may still happen. But here's the important part. If bleeding suddenly gets heavy again after slowing down, if you pass clots bigger than a golf ball, if you develop a fever, what's a fever again? 100.4 degree Fahrenheit and higher? Or if pain becomes severe instead of easing, those are red flags. Don't wait, call your doctor. Think of this like a system alert at work. You wouldn't ignore a major error message on a project, right? And you shouldn't ignore warning signs in your recovery either. This is also the week where emotions can feel heavier. In week 1, the adrenaline and novelty carried you through. Now that it's fading, sleep deprivation hits harder. The baby blues, those mood swings, sudden tears, or irritability may still be present. For some moms, anxiety starts creeping in, especially at night. If you're used to being productive, organized, and on top of everything in your career, the constant unpredictability of newborn life can feel like failure to you. You might catch yourself thinking, I thought I'd be handling this better. But let me reassure you, this is not about capability. It's about chemistry and adjustment. Your hormones are still leveling out, and your brain is recalibrating a 24/7 caregiving role. If you notice that your sadness or anxiety is not improving but getting worse, or if you feel detached from your baby, those are signs of something deeper than baby blues. Don't dismiss it. Reaching out for help is strength. Don't think that it's a weakness, ever. So, how do you get through week 2 without burning out? First, create simple checkpoints for yourself. Twice a day, pause, and scan. How's my bleeding? How's my pain? How's my mood? This tiny routine gives you back a sense of structure when everything else feels so unpredictable. Second, simplify meals. You don't need elaborate cooking. Think protein, fruits, vegetables, and hydration. Your body heals faster with fuel, not perfection. Third, choose one small daily anchor. This is probably one of my favorite. Maybe it's a morning shower, a short walk outside, or even 5 minutes with a journal. That one routine is your reminder that you still exist beyond the baby. And finally, allow delegation. If a friend or family member offers help, accept it. In the workplace, you'd call that smart resource management. Here, it's the same, except the resource is your body and your mind. Now, let's be clear about red flags. Heavy bleeding, fever, worsening incision pain, or foul-smelling discharge. These are not things to wait out. The same goes for mental health. If sadness is persistent or you feel hopeless, please don't wait. It's not weakness to need support. In fact, the strongest leaders are the ones who ask for help before everything collapses. Treat your recovery with the same urgency you'd bring to a critical project at work. Week 2 is often the hardest transitions, but it's also when you start building resilience. The adrenaline may be gone, but you're laying the foundation for recovery that lasts. To help with the emotional ups and downs this week, make sure you download my mental wellness workbook inside the free private resource hub for career moms. It gives you tools you can actually use right now, quick reflection prompts, and strategies that fit into the few spare minutes that you can find. The link is below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe, because in week 3, we'll talk about why so many moms feel physically stronger but emotionally more fragile. I'll guide you through that shift and help you stay steady. But if you're watching these before week 3 is live, I've got another video for you right now. It's perfect if you're still pregnant and planning ahead. You'll see it linked right here. Remember, recovery isn't about powering through or getting it perfect. It's about giving your body and mind space to heal and rebuild. You're not falling behind. You are laying the groundwork for strength and stability in the weeks ahead. I am Sherry, and I will see you in the next one.